All right, so we've written 50 to 20. That's not what I want to do. We've written 50 to 20 in simplest form as 50 to 20, just like a ratio. And all we're doing is we're simplifying the ratio, just like a fraction. So we're going to divide by 10 on the top and bottom and get 5 over 2, which is 5, 2, 2. Okay, questions on that? All right. The next one, 6 pencils to 8 pens. What should I do first for this one? Or just simplifying, what should I do first? How should I write this first? 6 over 8 would be the good way to write it. So you can simplify it just like a fraction. Okay, what goes into both 6 and 8 without a remainder, Alex? 2. Okay, 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So our simplified ratio is 3/4 or 3, 2, 4. Okay. Next problem. Write the following as a unit rate. What does a unit rate always have? What's something that a unit rate always has? Maybe on the top or bottom. What does the unit rate always have?
Time?
It might not always have time, but sometimes it has time. Sometimes it has time. Mm-hmm.
Denominator?
What's special about the denominator, Alex? In the unit rate, it's always what? One. Remember that? Unit rate, denominator is always 1. Okay, so let's go ahead and write our first rate first. Okay, we'll write that in a fraction form. You guys remember this? So we're doing 100. We're going to abbreviate from Rick's and say FR. In 40 minutes, we're going to abbreviate minutes as MIN. Okay, and we want to figure out, well, what's going to go on the bottom right here? Will it be from Rick's or minutes? What has to go across for minutes? Minutes. All right, and on the top, what will be the units right here? Come on, just say it. From Rick's. All right. How do we go about solving this now?
Divide by 40.
Okay, divide by 40. Divide by 40 on the top. 100 divided by 40, what did I give you? Did you know? 2.5. All right, so our unit rate for Rick's per minute is 2.5 FR per minute. All right, we're going to need to practice those more. All right, number 3, you can buy 4 tires for $100. How many tires can you buy for $150? 4 tires for 100. How many can you buy for 150? All right, this is, what type of problem is this? Austin, what type of problem are we doing here? Is this a unit rate problem? Are we trying to find how many tires can we buy for $1? Are we trying to find how many tires we can buy for $1 though? Well, what does it say? Can you read the problem to me?
How many tires can you buy for 150?
So is that for $1? No, so it's not a unit rate. Is it a ratio problem? Or just simplifying ratios? What type of problem is this? We just did this. Alright, I'll wait for you. Look at you notes. I'm waiting for you. You have your notes?
Nope.
All right, can someone give Austin their notes? Just so you know, I don't know what's not a good answer. All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Proportion.
What? What?
Proportion.
Proportion. Okay, tell me how to set up the proportion here. Where we have two fractions that are equal to each other. They're just two equal ratios. If you simplify them, they'll turn out to be the same number. So how do I set up my proportion here? What's that? Okay, how do I make this into a fraction?
You put tires with tires.
What do I put on the top here? 100 tires?
No,
$100. Oh, okay, good. I messed up on that one. All right, what goes on the bottom?
4 tires.
4 tires. Thank you, Austin. All right, how about on the other side? What goes on the other side? $150. Where does that go, top or bottom? That would go on the top because it has to match with the dollars. Dollars go with dollars. All right, thank you, Austin. Thanks for telling me how to set that up. Thank you, Karina, for the notes. All right, now for the bottom here. What are we supposed to do to figure that out? You guys have calculators at your desk. Yeah, what do you do?
You first you would do 100 times
100 times 150? Are you sure? You know what? We added a step in second block, just so it would help you remember better.
You would do 4 times 100.
Ah, yeah, that's what you meant, right? 4 times 150. What does that give you? 600. All right. And what are we doing next? Deja?
You do 600 divided by 100.
600 divided by 100 equals 6.
6 tires.
6 tires, yes. I should put tires on there, shouldn't I? There we go. All right, and that is our proportion.